It's not the railways, subway, or the beautiful Victorian architecture that happens to be the greatest contribution of the British rule. The British gave us something far more enriching and majestic. Something that would, in the years to come, and till date, define the country's sentiment, the game of cricket. From school grounds to neighborhood parks, footpaths to gullies, today, cricket is played in every nook and corner of the country, and with a lot of passion. The cricket fever has the nation engulfed and will be for years to come. But it was in 1912 when it all started at the beautiful grounds of PJ Hindu Gymkhana, overlooking the picturesque view of Marine Drive. PJ Hindu Gymkhana is over 100 years old and has nurtured cricket ever since its establishment. In 1912, the institution took cricket to new heights by introducing the much-famed Purushottam Shield, which many believe was instrumental in changing the face of cricket in not just Mumbai but India.
Hindu Gymkhana and Purushottam Shield both goes hand to hand. 116 years for Hindu Gymkhana and 96 years for Purushottam Shield. We played 35 years before the independence, and after that we continue playing till today, 65 years.
The shield was donated by the late Mr. Purushottam G. Sukhadia, a pioneer and an ardent cricket lover. Initially, the tournament was played as a quadrangular series between the Hindu Gymkhana, Parsi Gymkhana, Catholic Gymkhana, and Islam Gymkhana. It soon gained popularity, and the event was converted to a pentangular series.
In those years, most communities had their own tournaments. Purushottam Shield, as I said, was started mainly for Bombay teams and for Hindus. Although they were communal in terms of composition of the teams, but the spirit was entirely friendly.
People used to reserve their privilege or that to watch these matches. A tremendous crowd. If it is a Hindu-Muslim match, tremendous crowd. When we got independent, government said no communal thing. You have to keep it open. Your membership also open. Membership of the Gymkhana also open. Otherwise, it was only for those particular communities. But it was the premier tournament in Bombay for selection. First of all, for Hindus team, quadrangular, and after quadrangular was over, Ranji Trophy team of Bombay.
Purushottam Shield held a different charm for the players. Competition was intense, and the fervour to excel in this tournament was of the highest importance. Little wonder then that two more shields were added to the tournament in 1957-58. The shield for runners-up and the Dongre Shield to be awarded to the best fielder. 3 years later came a magnificent present from Mr. Paranjay Hazrat in the shape of Duleep Trophy, named after MS Duleep Singh Ji, to be awarded to the side scoring the quickest runs.
They had a long history of cricket. Many of the stalwarts like Vijay Merchant, LP Jai, they all played for the Gymkhana.
So it was a great honor for me to play along with other 6 test cricketers at a time. So this tournament has certainly given a lot of opportunity to a lot of youngsters in whole of Bombay.
Purushottam अच्छा performance करे तो they are considered as a Bombay Ranji Trophy. Then Bombay को अच्छा करे बाद में ऊपर लेते.
It soon became evident how important the Shield was, as it was considered one of the benchmarks for selection in the much-coveted Ranji Trophy and the Indian team. So, once the tournament was thrown open, it attracted as many as 81 entries. When the tournament celebrated its Golden Jubilee, a great match was organized to mark the event. A match between the winners and the Chairman's 11, in which Lala Amarnath, Hemu R. Adhikari, C.K. Naidu and other greats participated.
Gave us the opportunity to build a team spirit also, not only our individual skills. Why? Because the seniors were so close to us. They took so much of care of it. So we felt like performing.
Udit Kundaram played for India as a wicket keeper, लेकिन क्लब के मैचेस के लिए वो मेरे को विकेटिंग करने को देता था.
From 1965-66, the clubs not affiliated to the Mumbai Cricket Association have been kept out. From 1969, the Mumbai Cricket Association has restricted the entries to 32 to run the tournaments in Mumbai in an efficient manner.
Once upon a time, there were 88 entries came. Because of a lot of changes and always popular among the cricket world. And Purushottam Shield is always kept the standard very high.
The tournament has evolved or had evolved over many years. For example, to begin with, it used to be on time basis. In a sense, it was played over the weekend, 1.5 days game. Then they brought in limited overs. Then when there was no result, spin of the coin. All kinds of changes were made to make it more attractive.
The games were played on knockout basis till 1938-39, and league system was introduced post that, which continued for 8 years. The year 1952-53 saw the introduction of limitation of an innings to 50 overs for the preliminary rounds, and the final was split up in 40 overs for the first innings and 35 for the second.
Competition was excellent, absolutely. In those days, all the test cricketers, all the first class cricketers used to definitely participate in this tournament.
सुनील गावस्कर को दोनों टाइम स्टंपिंग किया, सेम मैच. और दैट टाइम आई वाज बेस्ट फील्डर प्राइजेस वो बिल्ड अप. एक्चुअली फील्डिंग का प्राइज मेरे को बेस्ट विकेट कीपर करके दिए.
I think I played last game, if I remember right, and if my memory serves me right, it was a game in which Sachin Tendulkar played when he was 14 and a half.
So Sachin Tendulkar, Ajit Wadekar, Vinu Makar, Sunil Gavaskar, Babu Nadkarni, they are the few names. I can go and give you more names, but these are the real stalwarts came from Hindu Gymkhana.
At present, games are played on a one-day basis up to the quarterfinals. The quarterfinals and semi-finals are 1.5 day matches, whereas the final is a 3-day affair.
It was a sort of honor for me to play for Gymkhana.
The range of activities of the Gymkhana has expanded beyond.
हम लोग के साथ क्लब के लिए हम लोग जान दिए.
And according to me, in different words, it's a temple of cricket. With Purushottam Shield, with working very strongly with the MCA, we like to bring the past glory back.
The Purushottam Shield has not just seen many a cricketing great, but has been one of the country's most prestigious and elite tournaments, and will be for the years to come.
One must remember that we are known because of this game of cricket, therefore you are indebted to the game of cricket, and you must try and repay it as best as possible.